The initial wear schedule with the UNFO brace is designed to gradually acclimate your baby to the brace. The brace wear time is very similar to the serial casting wear schedule, ensuring the most amount of correction over the shortest amount of time. On day 1, your baby will wear the brace for about 2 hours at a time. At the end of each 2-hour stretch, take it off for a quick 10-minute break, then reapply it. For the first night, the brace should stay on while your baby sleeps. If your little one becomes truly inconsolable and you've ruled out all other reasons for crying, you can remove it, but be sure to put it back on in the morning. On day 2, continue the same routine. 2 hours on, 10 minutes off, until your baby's evening bath. After that bath, you'll begin the full-time wear protocol. From this point forward, the brace should stay on 24 hours a day, only coming off twice daily, once in the morning for diaper and clothing changes, and once in the evening for bathing and fresh clothes. 2 weeks after the initial fitting, you'll return for a follow-up appointment with your provider. At that visit, they'll check your baby's progress and set a long-term wear schedule. Typically, this involves 6 to 8 weeks of full-time 24-hour wear, followed by 3 to 4 weeks at 15 hours a day, and finally another 3 to 4 weeks at around 12 hours a day. Your provider will adjust this plan to meet your baby's individual needs. By following this schedule and attending follow-ups, you're helping ensure the best results for your baby's treatment.